Transform your daily routine into a moment of freshness and energy with an electric juicer designed to bring vibrant flavors and healthy nutrients to your life. This large-capacity juice cup allows you to enjoy delicious drinks anytime, making every sip feel refreshing and satisfying. Its convenient USB charging makes staying healthy effortless, giving you the freedom to nourish your body on the go. Perfect for anyone who wants a simple way to boost energy, feel revitalized, and embrace a lifestyle full of vitality and wellness. Number 1. CoCa-Cola Mini Electric Juicer USB Charging Kitchen Blender. Experience the freshness of fruits and the joy of homemade drinks with a mini electric juicer that brings convenience and vitality into daily life. This portable blender allows anyone to enjoy natural, refreshing flavors anytime, giving a sense of energy and well-being that makes each day feel brighter. Its detachable design makes caring for the kitchen simple and stress-free, encouraging regular use and a consistent healthy routine. The USB charging feature ensures freedom to blend anywhere, whether at home, in the office, or while traveling, creating a feeling of independence and ease. Every blend becomes more than a drink. It becomes a moment of self-care and nourishment that lifts mood and inspires confidence. Ideal for people who value taste, health, and simplicity, this juicer helps transform ordinary routines into uplifting experiences. With each use, it encourages a lifestyle that combines freshness, convenience, and enjoyment, making daily nutrition effortless and rewarding. It brings a sense of vitality, wellness, and satisfaction to everyone who desires a refreshing and healthy lifestyle. Number 2. 1PCS Electric Juicers Sport Juice Cup Food Mixers Blender. Elevate your daily routine with a portable electric juicer that transforms fresh fruits and vegetables into delicious drinks anytime, giving a sense of energy and refreshment that makes each day feel brighter. This versatile blender allows you to enjoy natural flavors on the go, inspiring a feeling of health, vitality, and self-care with every sip. Its easy-to-use design fits seamlessly into busy lifestyles, turning simple nutrition into a moment of comfort and enjoyment. The rechargeable function ensures freedom to blend anywhere, whether at home, during travel, or at work, creating convenience that supports independence and confidence. Each use becomes more than preparing a drink. It becomes a ritual that nourishes both body and mind, encouraging a lifestyle focused on wellness and freshness. Perfect for anyone who values simplicity, taste, and healthy habits. It makes enjoying natural nutrition effortless while enhancing personal satisfaction. This portable juicer inspires a sense of vitality, happiness, and confidence, helping users feel refreshed and energized throughout the day. Number 3. BioloMix 3 horsepower 2200 watts heavy-duty grade timer blender mixer juicer. Bring power and efficiency into your kitchen with a heavy-duty blender that transforms everyday ingredients into vibrant, delicious creations. This high-performance appliance allows anyone to enjoy fresh smoothies, fruit juices, and blended foods with ease, inspiring a sense of accomplishment and joy in cooking. Its durable design and large jar capacity make preparing meals effortless, turning ordinary routines into moments of creativity and satisfaction. Using it creates a feeling of control and confidence in the kitchen, encouraging experimentation with flavors and textures while maintaining convenience and efficiency. Ideal for people who love healthy living and enjoy sharing meals with family or friends. It inspires a sense of connection and pride. Each blend becomes a small celebration of nutrition, taste, and personal care, helping users feel empowered and nourished throughout the day. This blender supports a lifestyle focused on wellness, creativity, and satisfaction, making cooking enjoyable and rewarding. It encourages consistency, vitality, and a sense of accomplishment while bringing fresh, flavorful results to every meal. Number 4. Joyoung Soymilk Maker 23,000 revolutions per minute high-speed stirring mixer. Transform your kitchen experience with a Soymilk maker that brings convenience, freshness, and nutrition together in every use. This high-speed stirring mixer allows you to create delicious hot and cold drinks effortlessly, inspiring a sense of satisfaction and well-being with each preparation. It turns ordinary ingredients into smooth, flavorful beverages that energize the day and uplift the mood. Using it creates a sense of confidence in the kitchen, making cooking feel simple, enjoyable, and rewarding. Ideal for people who value health, taste, and efficiency, it encourages a lifestyle focused on self-care and nourishment. Each drink becomes more than a beverage, it becomes a moment of relaxation and indulgence, supporting a balanced and vibrant daily routine. Its automatic functions make blending seamless, allowing you to focus on flavor, creativity, and personal enjoyment without stress. This soy milk maker inspires vitality, comfort, and happiness, helping users feel nourished, empowered, and ready to embrace every moment with freshness and energy throughout the day. Number 5. Mi Portable Juicer Electric 1 liter large capacity juice machine. Bring freshness and energy into every day with a portable electric juicer designed to make healthy living simple and enjoyable. This large capacity juice cup allows anyone to prepare vibrant fruit drinks effortlessly, giving a feeling of nourishment and vitality with every sip. Its USB charging ensures convenience for busy routines, making it easy to enjoy fresh juice at home, in the office, or on the go. Using it transforms ordinary moments into refreshing experiences, creating a sense of care and personal attention that inspires confidence and positivity. Preparing drinks becomes a calming and rewarding ritual, encouraging consistency in healthy habits while adding joy to daily routines. Perfect for people who value taste, wellness, and ease, it turns nutrition into a satisfying experience that nurtures both body and mind. Every blend feels like a small celebration of vitality, freshness, and personal well-being. This portable juicer inspires a sense of energy, comfort, and empowerment, helping users enjoy a refreshed, healthy lifestyle that enhances everyday happiness and confidence.